We out here going up, man. We just had. Oh yeah. We just had a little war zone in the freaking gas station parking lot. It's been going up. Y'all see what it is, man. We out here going yay. A whole lot of ooh and ah effect. A whole lot of ooh and ah effect. Just look. Lips like dang near my hand, man. That thing wet. They got them back to back too. Back to back. Y'all see what's going on. Wildin' and styling though. He matching everything. Everything.
Know what he said? Say it again. I got another chance to do it tomorrow. I'm ready.
Y'all say I spend too much money. You see what he said, right?
Listen, we never spend too much money. Cause we got a chance to go get people. You got to change the mindset. I'm trying to tell you. All right, man. We out here, man.
Good seeing you, man. Good seeing you, man.
Let's do it.
All right, man. I'll see you next time, man.
Hey, man, you too, man. Bring your pops, man.
Hey, yeah, nah,
cool ass nigga, man.
Nice meeting you,
Bring
gang.
your pop, boy.
For sure. Nice meeting you, gang. Yes, sir. We're out here going up. Telling y'all next location. I don't know where it's at, but it's somewhere in the facility. It's somewhere in the facility. We got them things on the back of that thing, man. The things on the back of that thing, man. Yes, sir. It's up. You good? You good, gang? With the little squattage.
You said what we gonna do on green?
Hold that hoe for me, DC.
Hold up.
Huh? On green, nigga? Yeah, on green, nigga. Y'all know what it is,
man.
Yes, sir.
Blue ball.
6-0 versus 6-0. They know what time it is. Yes, sir. Yeah, that green. I'm gonna keep my eye on the light. You gonna slide on? What you think you gonna slide? He on 4, we on 8.
We gonna see it. We got 8-2 boots over there. We got DC in 93 over here. Let's see what we about to do right here.
I'm ready, nigga. I'm ready,
Oh shit. He got a quick takeoff.
Yeah, that nigga slid off, man. He slid off the line, but we're gonna get his ass, though.
Hold on. We still up.
I'm telling y'all, man, as much fun as we had this weekend, dude, I'm telling you, the cars is not messing with me this week, literally. So y'all guys seen, I freaking kind of messed up my dad's car. Not really messed it up, but like the transmission lines got pinched and stuff, so we're leaking transmission fluid on the box. And then, you guys know we got our 2020 Silverado, the big dually truck right here. We done broke my whole dang axle. Let's see. We broke a whole freaking axle, man. So this thing is leaning like a cholo right now, man. So now we didn't have to call.
Straight up when that train came off of it.
That's what I say. You could probably dry that mug back.
Nah, cause listen to me, the other side break.
Oh, it's a wrap.
Your trucks, yeah, that's a wrap.
So,
What is this? Now that bitch gonna come down just like that, cause ain't nothing holding the top.
oh yeah.
All you gonna have holding is them tie rod in. That's it.
Man, that nigga full lock, you good. You ain't even got a full lock. Well, my truck down, the car down. I need to go back home and get in something new, man, cause It's not working.
Vibes, ain't
It is not working for me, man.
Look, just in case,
Look.
A2, just in case. Hold up on the Lambo, jump in the
Look,
C8 or something first, just in case something else wants to snap
yeah, you
on
right about that, huh?
Wait till next week.
I'm glad you said that, huh? I'm definitely hopping in the C8, man. Y'all know what's going on, man. Y'all see what it is. We gonna get it together, though. We supposed to be having a trailer or something pulling up right now, man. So we gonna see what it is. Get these things all loaded up and switched over and be out in the wind, man. Yes, sir. We go over there. Y'all see what's going on, man. They pulling up, pulling in. Lifesaver. The lifesaver himself, man. What's up, man? How you doing? Yeah, that's it right there.
Which one of the cars I can have?
Say it again.
Which one of the cars I can have?
Which one you want?
I don't know.
You want the black one or the blue one?
I don't know.
Hey, man, well, you got a whole lot to drive to check it out and think about it. So, man, let me know when you drop them off. We'll figure it out.
Let me see what they got.
Yeah. Let's see, gang. Pull them things out. He said, which one you want?
Hey.
He said, which one can he have?
Shit. What you mean, which one?
Y'all see what's going on, man.
That's 2 inches, the 25
Shit. And just like that, man, we're almost at the crib. Had to send in my dad with the big blue dually truck to come save the day.
What you need off of there?
Everything but this one. Just like that, man, we done made it back with one wheel and all that, man. So I'm excited. I'm actually about to get up in here and I'll catch y'all tomorrow or something, man. Alrighty, they just made it back. Just made it back. The big blue dually truck came in full swing today, man. Full swing today, man.
Got it?
Almost how you left it, huh?
Almost.
See, it don't look too bad, right? These is just clothes, man. This ain't nothing. So I know how you are, man. You were particular.
I ain't said anything.
You ain't saying nothing, but I can hear you though.
Bro, you were traveling.
Okay, I'm just making sure, man. He like, man, come on, dude. This how you leave your stuff all in my car, man? Like, man, let me at least clean it out, man.
I'm gonna help you clean it out.
Sure, I'll help you, man. Don't worry about it.
Hey, man, I know you ain't wore all them goddamn shoes, bro.
I did.
It's only here for 2 days, 3 days.
Man, that's what I'm saying. Y'all see it here first, though, man. This thing out here ready to go, baby. All right, man. Y'all know we been kind of messed up the box while we was in Orlando. Pinched the wire or something.
Hey, pay attention.
Huh?
That disc wheel's supposed to be on that side.
You got the wheels on the wrong way. I just sold a set of these Prosecco's. Say the wheels on the wrong way?
Yeah, they're supposed to go the other way. Direction. So y'all know we got the freaking blue truck to come save today, man. So you drove both of them with both of the with trailer on both. How you doing?
All right, how you doing?
Good. Yes,
All right,
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
So how's it feeling, man, compared to the black one?
The black truck, man, the black truck pull harder.
It pull harder, right?
Pull harder, yeah, pull harder. But man, the ride in that was like, man, we was riding in a new Escalade.
A new Escalade, right?
It was just floating on the highway.
Yeah, see?
Pulling 2 cars in the big trailer. So yeah, that one right there was a rough ride, but F350 right there was smooth as hell.
Right.
So yeah, got the job done for sure, for sure.
See, y'all see what's going on, man. I ain't gotta, you know.
Do another road trip, we taking Big Blue.
Right, huh?
Taking Big Blue.
We taking Big Blue, man. Y'all better go get in and win. Today, only 75 big ones, man. Big Blue came and saved the day, man. This thing is looking so freaking good. Got the blue trailer and everything. Just like that. It's a wrap, man. Pops took the car to go get detailed. My boy took the truck to go drop off the trailer. And I gotta take this truck to the shop, man. So with that being said, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, guys. I appreciate you guys tuning in, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. It's been a hell of a trip, a hell of a weekend, man. You guys seen we broke down, freaking got back on the road, made it home safe, and all the above, man. So I'm happy about that. Both cars broke down, but more than anything, we about to get both cars fixed, and already got one fixed and back on the road. So I can't wait for that. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. Big Blue came and saved the day today, man. That big 22 F350 thing, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the More Life giveaway, you guys know we are bringing more life to the community, man. So with that being said, we're giving away our 2022 Ford F350 dually truck paired together for first place with our matching 2020 CVO Street Glide. Yes, man, the bike and the truck. The bike will be on back of that thing when you get that. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our 2021 Chevy Silverado paired together for second place as well with our 2020 Road Glide Reese's Pieces with the built 124 on there. That's knocking everybody off from state to state, man. So not only do you get a bike and a truck for first place, you get a bike and a truck for second place, man. We got third place, which is our 2018 Road King with all of everything regular oohs and ahs on that joint. And then for the first time ever, man, we got fourth place, which is our 2018 Road Glide Lemon Drop. That's looking oh so clean and mean, man. I can't wait to get that thing back, get everything going, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win either of these joints, man, all you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go cop you a hat or a patch. Any hat on the site, any patch on the site will gain you entry into the giveaway. Everything is $75 today only, man. So get in while you can, because we're trying to go live Thanksgiving Day, man. I can't wait. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Everythingsregular.com, and I'll see you there. Get your hat while you can. Everything is $75, man. It's a movie. I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.